Hello, everybody. Princess Barry here, and we're back with another at-home product review. This time, something that was kind of a surprise. Juicy marble.
Straight from the UK. Vegan filet.
Some crazy guys finally done it. Crazy people, crazy team, crazy group. Vegan steak. Vegan steak filet. They didn't go for like the base steak. They're like, we're going to do filet steak. So we're going to cook these and eat them. And we're going to see how they do.
Now I could have gotten, this was 4 for $60. I could have gotten 8 for $80. 20 with shipping. It's a better value if we buy 8, but I just didn't think we would eat 8. So we're going to try the 4.
I suppose we could have just eaten 4 at a time, but here we go. So let's cook up some steak. I never thought we would say that. You're going to eat steak.
Be sure to eat vegan steaks only. And subscribe.
What do they have, 3D glasses? You heard the girl.
Rude?
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. Better see with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 you got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you find the door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
So, juicy marbles, filet mignon, plant-based steaks. Filet mignon, plant-based. Say that again just so that it sinks in how technologically advanced that is. Plant-based filet mignon. I think we're missing like some like dark interior, a violinist maybe a pianist, suit and tie. I'm in Disney clothes.
Can play Return to Zarkon.
Yes. Anybody? I hope some of you know what that is. If not, I'm very heartbroken. So, cheers to filet.
I'm excited for this. So it bleeds. That's the first thing I'm gonna say, and it's a little
It falls apart
on the
really
like
easy. I'd say medium rare.
strippy side. I guess you could say it's like
pulled beef, like pulled beef sort of. Like interesting. Looking at it, it's all very strippy.
cheers.
I was gonna say whole like steak. Okay.
Has a really interesting flavor to it. I want to say it tastes more like a tofurkey style meat.
It tastes like beef light. Like, it definitely tastes, it has a hint of beef flavoring, I would say. But it's less steak and more like pot roast sort of flavor.
I've never had filet before in my life. I've never had steak before in my life. I'm not sure what it's supposed to taste like.
I've only had it on work trips when work was paying for it.
If it's anything like this, like shredded
It's not.
mess, it's good. I would put this in some tacos.
You don't put filet mignon in tacos.
So is it, does it pass as filet, or is it just another vegan protein?
I would say vegan protein. I think they do a
I think
lot
it's
better
pretty good.
selling this as a whole chunk and calling it a beef roast. Because if you told me this is a roast, like a beef roast, I could believe that. Filet mignon it is not. Filet mignon is a very it's a very specific cut of beef, and it's very like juicy and tender. But when you slice it, it's a whole piece like a steak.
You don't really need to slice this. It's just kind of like falls apart like
You don't need the knife.
like a shredded meat.
It's definitely some of the best plant-based meats I think that I've ever had.
I
would
it.
rate it above Impossible as far as like flavoring.
It's good.
It's definitely nearing steak, but it doesn't chew or fall apart like steak. It's getting there. It's like it feels like a very, very advanced satine steak.
Yeah, I can see that.
Yeah, but filet mignon does not pull apart like that. If you put this in somebody that eats filet mignon on the regular, if your blood's that rich, they would scoff at how it pulls apart.
Because it's supposed to like melt like butter, right?
As far as like chewing it, it's just a very soft chew, but and then the coloration inside is good, but the consistency of like the meat is not. It's definitely more like a roast beef, pulled beef sort of texture.
I'm gonna give this a 5 out of 5. I think that even though I don't know what filet is supposed to taste like, but for like a vegan alt meat, this is amazing. I love it.
Because of my view on truth and advertising, I'm giving it a 4 out of 5 plot. It is amazing taste. I think for a vegan steak, it is an amazing first try, especially in the flavor department, because I did not expect it to cook that well or taste that well.
It's really good.
And it cooked very easily, just like you would cook like a steak or filet in a cast iron skillet. You brown on all sides. It started to fall apart towards the end, so you'd be careful how you pick it up. I use tongs. But the consistency is not there for steak, as the princess proceeds to drop it in her cleavage. But I would say that I am looking forward to what Juicy Marble does in the future.
They actually have another meat in the pipeline. I forgot what it is, but it's on their website, so you can pre-order it, and I will probably pre-order
I
it.
definitely want to see that Juicy Marble. If you want to sponsor us, I'm kidding.
We got the first pre-ordered shipment for them actually starting to distribute in the United States.
Vegans, talk to your local grocer. Get them to order this. You will love this. It cooks very easily.
For now, you can order directly through them, and I will put a link to that in the description box down below.
If you guys want us to try other plant-based meats and steaks, well, of course, the comments are always a good place to find us. If there's anything else you'd like to see us do, maybe we order more, make a complete meal out of this. By all means, that's also going to be a place to find us. Hit the notification bell if you want to see other videos like this, and
We have new videos 5 days a week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday.
we will see you soon.
Be sure to subscribe
You heard the girl.
and like this video, and comment and enjoy vegan meat, because you're saving animals with every bite.
Or just save the planet. I can get on board with that.
We are the world.
Not. If you sing that song, I'll end this planet myself.
We are the vegans.
Oh, God.
We are the one.